everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I have something special today. A member in our Facebook group posted about a man who was making 3D diamond painting trays. And I've showed these before, but these are my trays from Archer's Arts. A lot of you have found them already. I love the colors. This is the dark purple and this is the teal. And you can see the spouts are in the bottom corner. Now these trays that this guy makes are also 3D printed. I don't know if you all know what 3D printing is, but these trays were made on a printer. The printer prints out the plastic material and can shape it however you want. Now these trays, My3Ddesigns, Dan Weeks, owner, from Tacoma, Washington, 3D crafted items. He gave me his card. Very nice. Very classy looking card. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so here is the first one I chose. It is a light purple, heart-shaped. Now, I don't know if you can see, but the spout is at the bottom. And it has this, sorry, I'll use two hands. It has this great cover, which I really like. It's one of the things I like about the Archer's Arts trays. Although their spout, I've had some trouble with because it's so long. Okay, so here's the heart that I ordered. And here's his square tray. I love this color, this pink color. Now, his spout is also in the corner, and I could choose whether I wanted it on this side or this side. And because I use my right hand to pour, I should use my left hand because that's good therapy. But I don't like spilling drills. Yeah, so his is in the corner. His spout is wider and not as long. Wider and shorter. So I'm hoping that means the drills don't get stuck in there. And I also like that the sides of his, I'm doing a side-by-side comparison so you can all see the differences. The sides are more beveled, they're at a slight angle. Whereas the Archer's Arts are straight up and down, and they're higher. Archer's Arts are higher, which honestly, when I'm getting diamonds out of it, I've gotten a little sore from this rough edge. Such minor things. Just so you can see a comparison on the size. This is a normal green tray that you get with a kit. So you can see the size difference. And it has all the grooves in it. That's pretty handy. And this is the white boat that you get with the funnel from the kits. So you can see the size. I just love this heart. So pretty. I kind of wish I'd gotten it in a pink, but I may still do that yet. He has a lot of different sizes, and he has a lot of fun designs coming. Who doesn't want a heart-shaped tray? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So here is the butterfly. I got the butterfly. And the butterfly is a two-sided, here I'll put the insert in. It's two-sided, so you could have two colors in there. And then here's the spout up here. There it is. Let me show it up close. Now I got this pink and I ordered a gold insert. So the insert comes out. So if you have drills over on this side, you know, empty out this side first and then take out the insert and empty out the other side. So I'll let y'all know how it works. Isn't that pretty? And look, he gave me an extra insert. That's a brown insert. More things for me to lose, but I'm pretty good about my diamond painting stuff. Really, really nice. And the next thing I saw he's making is a ladybug. A ladybug tray, black and red. So that is next on my list. I really like the shaped trays. I think that will really make it, it makes things more fun for me when I have pretty pens and pretty trays. And so that's it. I will put the link to his Etsy shop in the description. What am I doing? Oh, backwards. So that you can go check out his stuff. He's also a member of the Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting Facebook group. And he's just a great guy. Another great guy. Another great Dan. We've got Dan with the pens and Dan with the trays. Somebody mentioned that they thought his trays looked more flimsy. 3D printing is 3D printing. There's nothing flimsy about this plastic. They are more delicate than an Archer's Arts plain tray. But I'm not really sure, you know, what the difference. As long as it works and it holds the diamond paint, the drills, what do we care? I really like the pink with the gold insert. Isn't that pretty? And he has a lot more colors. He has chrome and gold, metallic. Some are really sparkly. He has a lot of colors to choose from. A lot of fun. And you know, it's not a competition. I buy from everybody. I like to try everything out. I like to see what's out there. Dan here has grinders too, which are perfect for when your drills get stuck together. Everybody's had that problem. You know, you're fishing through a tray full of drills and looking for the ones that aren't stuck to another one, and they're so hard to get apart. Well, the grinders make it very easy. When I buy one of his grinders, I will do a little demo on that too. So here I am. Now I collect diamond paintings. I collect diamond painting pens, and now I'm starting my diamond tray collection. Diamond painting tray collection. I really love this heart. That just makes me happy. I want one in pink and red and gold. I just want everything. Isn't that wrong? That's so wrong. And yet, I'm home alone all day, These are the things that make me happy, and we all deserve to be happy. So you have a great day. Thanks for tuning in and watching my little unboxing. Oh, I'm so happy. I've been waiting for these to show up. So excited. And happy diamond painting, everybody. Find something that makes you happy. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.